In the heart of the harsh Tibetan Plateau, a groundbreaking engineering marvel is emerging that could redefine the future of construction. Towering 180 meters into the sky, the Yangq Hydro Power Plant is not just any dam. It's the world's largest 3D printed structure built entirely by robots. No human hands are involved in its creation. Instead, a fleet of AI-driven machines, bulldozers, trucks, pavers, and rollers work together seamlessly, following a digital blueprint to construct this colossal powerhouse. When completed, it will generate enough energy to power 100 million people, showcasing the limitless potential of automation and tackling the world's most pressing infrastructure challenges. Could this be the future of construction? The answer might be closer than we think. A bold vision. The location of the Yangq Hydro Power Plant couldn't be more difficult. The Tibetan Plateau is one of the highest, most inhospitable regions on Earth. With its thin air, extreme weather patterns, and rough terrain, it would be a nightmare to construct a dam by traditional methods. Yet, this area is home to some of China's most important rivers, including the Yellow River, and is crucial for the country's long-term water and energy needs. The first version of the Yangq Dam, built by human hands, was completed in 2016, providing 1,200 megawatts of power, enough to light up millions of homes. But as China's energy needs continued to rise, alongside stricter environmental regulations, the country began looking for ways to speed up and modernize the process. The solution? Let robots and AI take the lead. The rise of AI and robotics in construction. China's ambitious leap into AI-driven construction is more than just an effort to meet energy needs. The country is grappling with a shrinking workforce, rising building costs, and increasing concerns over the environmental impact of traditional construction methods. The introduction of AI and robotics into construction offers solutions to all of these issues. By eliminating the need for large numbers of workers to be on-site, the Yangq Hydro Power Plant project can bypass many of the risks associated with the harsh environment. Additionally, the use of AI to control the entire construction process minimizes human error, which is a significant concern when working with such massive and complex infrastructure. Instead of relying on hundreds of workers, machines equipped with AI are doing all the work. Robots communicate with each other, ensuring that they work in perfect synchrony without ever needing to take breaks or make mistakes. AI guides the construction process, providing precise instructions to the robots, including how much material to use, where to place it, and how to compact it. Every layer of the dam is built with careful precision, ensuring that the structure is both strong and stable. Additive manufacturing. Unlike conventional 3D printing, which often uses large printer arms and nozzles to build up structures layer by layer, the Yangq project takes an entirely different approach. Here, the entire construction site itself functions as one giant assembly line. Instead of using a single giant printer, various machines such as bulldozers, trucks, and rollers are all integrated into the process. These machines work together, each performing a specific task as part of a larger, coordinated effort to build the dam. This method, known as additive manufacturing, allows for incredible precision, speed, and efficiency. The use of machines means there is no risk of human fatigue or distraction, which could lead to mistakes. Moreover, the AI system continuously monitors the progress of the construction, ensuring that each layer of material is placed and compacted correctly. Sensors embedded in the rollers provide real-time feedback to the AI, reporting on the strength and tightness of each layer. This constant cycle of pick up, place, pack, and report means the machines can work tirelessly, with each step being verified before moving on to the next. It's like a never-ending loop of construction, with each step being meticulously checked and adjusted for maximum accuracy, efficiency, and precision. What truly sets the Yangq Hydro Power Plant apart from traditional projects is the remarkable efficiency and accuracy provided by AI and robotics. Traditional construction involves human workers who may make mistakes, fatigue, or need to take breaks. In contrast, the machines on the Yangq project are tireless, able to work 24/7 without losing focus. This is crucial for a project of this scale, where even small mistakes can have significant consequences. Moreover, AI-powered construction is faster than conventional methods. What might take months or years of manual labor can be completed in a fraction of the time when robots and AI are in charge. With the dam's construction proceeding at a rapid pace, China is not only meeting its energy needs more efficiently, but also setting a precedent for how large-scale infrastructure projects can be carried out in the future. The environmental impact. While the Yangq Hydro Power Plant is undoubtedly a marvel of modern engineering, it hasn't been without controversy. The Tibetan Plateau is an ecologically fragile region, home to ancient glaciers, permafrost, and rivers that provide vital resources to millions of people across Asia. Environmental groups have raised concerns about the potential damage that the dam might cause to the local ecosystem. For instance, some local communities were displaced during the construction process, and traditional monasteries were removed from protected status and demolished. Additionally, non-native trout introduced to the area by factory farms connected to the dam have begun to disrupt the local wildlife and ecosystem, threatening the delicate balance of the region's rivers. Another concern is the effect of climate change on the area. The permafrost beneath the dam is starting to thaw, releasing methane, a potent greenhouse gas that contributes to global warming. This presents a significant challenge as the ground beneath the dam is becoming unstable. The weight of the structure on this soft, melting ground could lead to cracks, leaks, and other forms of damage, posing a risk to the integrity of the dam and the surrounding environment. The human costs. One of the most significant consequences of this shift toward automated construction is the potential for job displacement. While robots don't need lunch breaks or paychecks, their rise in construction could leave many workers without jobs. In China, where the workforce is shrinking due to an aging population and declining birth rates, the use of robots could be seen as both a solution and a problem. While automation offers the promise of freeing people from dangerous and repetitive work, it also raises the difficult question of what happens to those displaced by machines. In the case of the Yangq Hydro Power Plant, the need for human workers is minimal, with machines taking over nearly every aspect of construction. While this improves efficiency and safety, it may also contribute to rising unemployment, particularly for those in lower-skilled positions. The future of construction. Despite the concerns, the Chinese government is pressing ahead with the development of fully automated construction projects. Lead scientist Liu Tianun, a key figure in the Yangq Hydro Power Plant project, believes that the future of construction lies in automation. He envisions a world where entire smart cities, dams, and roads are built by robots and AI systems, free from the constraints of human labor. The success of the Yangq project could herald the beginning of a new era in construction, where 3D printed buildings and AI-driven infrastructure become the norm. Already, in some Chinese cities, 3D printed structures like bookstores and bridges have been built, demonstrating the potential for this technology to reshape urban landscapes. If the Yangq Hydro Power Plant succeeds, it could pave the way for an entirely new approach to building the cities and infrastructure of the future. Is this the future of construction? The Yangq Hydro Power Plant represents a bold experiment in AI-driven construction. Whether it will be the norm for the future or merely a technological novelty remains to be seen. However, it is clear that the project is pushing the boundaries of what is possible in terms of automation, efficiency, and precision as the world continues to grapple with climate change, population growth, and the need for sustainable energy. Projects like the Yangq Hydro Power Plant offer a glimpse into a future where machines, not humans, do the heavy lifting. It's a future that could lead to faster, more efficient construction, but also one that comes with a host of social, environmental, and ethical challenges. Only time will tell whether this robotic revolution will be the answer to the world's infrastructure problems, or if it is simply a daring experiment that comes with unforeseen risks. If you're as fascinated by this AI-driven construction revolution as we are, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing innovations. Stay tuned for more amazing stories that push the limits of technology. Until next time, keep dreaming big and building smarter.